Hello and welcome to Travel Closely informational videos. In this video we will talk about one of the most important parts of flying. Your carry-on bag. Whether it's a suitcase, a backpack, or a duffel, knowing what qualifies as a carry-on can make or break your travel experience. What's considered a carry-on bag? A carry-on bag is any item you bring on board that fits either in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. It could be a small suitcase, backpack, or any bag that follows size guidelines. While airlines don't enforce specific types of bags, they do have strict size and weight limits. Types of carry-on bags. Now, let's look at the types of carry-on bags. Options include hard-shell or soft-sided suitcases, backpacks, tote bags, duffel bags, or even a laptop bag. Remember, some budget airlines only allow a single personal item, like a small backpack or purse. Personal items. Along with a carry-on, most airlines allow a personal item. This could be a laptop bag, purse, or small backpack. It should fit under the seat in front of you, so it's smaller than a carry-on. Carrying additional items, strollers, instruments. If you're traveling with kids or special items like an instrument or wedding dress, most airlines let you bring these along. Just be sure to contact the airline in advance to confirm. Common carry-on sizes. For U.S. airlines, the standard carry-on size is 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches. This applies to major airlines like United, American, and Delta. Storing carry-on bags on the plane. On board, larger bags go in the overhead bin, while smaller personal items fit under the seat in front of you. Make sure your carry-on isn't too heavy so you can store it without help. When selecting a carry-on, check your airline's exact size limits. Choose a bag that meets or is slightly under those dimensions. A good bet is a 21-inch bag like the Amazon Basics or Samsonite models, which work on most airlines. So, there you have it, everything you need to know about carry-on bags. Pack smart, check your airline's rules, and avoid those extra fees. Happy travels! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks.